Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so here we have three men, sort of abbreviated as man 1, man 2, or just M2 and M3, and they have preference for these partners of theirs, W3, W1. And so I'm writing these in the order of their preference, because our job is going to be to determine whether or not sort of which pairs are stable and which are unstable. Okay. And then, of course, the women 1, 2, and 3 also have some partner preferences. And so our job is sort of to make sure that both parties are, well, I guess we're not making sure, but we're discovering under what conditions both parties are the most satisfied and going to be stable. Okay, so then we're just saying, like, for all 6 combinations of these men and women, which ways is it going to be stable based on their preferences? So we can just start with the simplest matchup, which is man 1 with woman 1, man 2 with woman 2, and man 3 with woman 3. Okay, so what we're looking for is whether a particular partner could find someone that they'd be happier with, right? So for example, male 1 would only improve their situation by taking on woman 3 instead, right? But woman 1 is as happy as possible with man 1. So neither of them could improve. And in fact, you can see that all the women in this situation are with their idealized mate or partner. And so this is actually going to be stable. Okay. But so then we want to go ahead and look at the other combinations. So let's consider, we'll stick with the first male, first woman, and then we'll switch up the other two. So we'll have second male with the third woman, and the third male with the second woman. Okay, but so if we look at this, we can see that the second male is going to prefer woman 2 over woman 3 here. And woman 3 is going to prefer male 3 over male 2, right? So this pair in the center, both partners would benefit by switching here with the other pair. And so this is actually an unstable match. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next pair, or next group of pairs, I should say. So we'll look at male 1 with woman 2, male 2 with woman 1, and male 3 with woman 3. And in this instance, we can see that the male 1 preference, male 1 prefers woman 1 over woman 2 here. Okay, and woman 2 prefers male 2 over male 1. Okay, so this is going to be unstable because that pair, both of them could improve their situation. All right, then we're going to do the same idea. We'll keep that first pairing the same and switch up the second one. So we'll have male 2 with woman 3 and male 3 with woman 1. In this instance, we see that male 1 is going to prefer woman 3 over woman 2. And woman 2 is going to prefer male 2 over male 1. Okay, so both people in this first pairing could improve their situation. So this one's also unstable. Okay, so now I'm going to look at male 1 with woman 3, male 2 with woman 1, and male 3 with woman 2. Now in this instance, while some of the women could improve their situation, none of the men can, right? So all the men are with their ideal partner here. So you're never in a situation where both partners can improve by switching. And so this is a stable condition. All right, then we just have one last pair of M, male 1, woman 3, male 2, woman 2, and male 3, woman 1. Okay, and in this situation, we get that male 3 prefers woman 2 over woman 1, and woman 1 is going to prefer male 2. Okay, so this one is unstable as well. So only two of these pairs out of the 6 were stable.